In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the MLB Ballpark app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You are going to be able to find the MLB Ballpark app on the Play Store if you are doing this on Android, or the App Store for iOS, made by MLB Advanced Media. Download the app and open it up. The first time you open up the app, you will either be able to log into your MLB account or select Get Started to register to use the app. Inside of the app, you will be able to browse through the events close to your location. So, change your location if you wish. I'm not going to do that now. And you will be able to shop for tickets right inside of the app. As you can see, you will be able to browse through all of the teams available and home games or full schedule. You can check summary of the teams over here as well if you want information on future events, membership, merchandise, etc. And as long as you have an account open, you will have access to all of these functionalities for free inside of the Ballpark app. If you need any additional help, you can tap this icon at the top right corner of the screen, this little speech bubble, in order to talk to the Ballpark digital assistant. In here, you will have information regarding your tickets, rule changes, and everything related to MLB, upcoming games, ticketing, etc. As long as you have the latest version of the app, all of these features will always be available. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the MLB Ballpark app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.